Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install extensions in your browser that you can convert WEBP to PNG instantly. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to google.com and the search bar of Google write WEBP to PNG extensions. Then go to the first website, and this is the extensions. So click add to Chrome, then add extension, and wait a moment until downloading extensions in your Chrome. Now the extensions has been installed successfully, and we need to show them here. Okay, so to show the extensions here, click here and click pin, and we'll show it here. Now we can easily convert any WebP to PNG. If you want to convert a WebP file to PNG, click in this and click open a new tab. And now let's try. Select any file WebP, and easy you can drop it here. And now save the version of PNG. For example, you can save it in your desktop and click save. And that's it. Now guys, you can easily convert any file WebP to PNG instantly. Thank you so much for watching me, and see you to the next video.